Ann, and I'm going to show you how to start a fire in your season's fire kit. I stopped at the market on the way home, picked up some white birch, some kindling, and extreme start. This is really easy. What you're going to do is you're going to take your kindling first, stack it pallet style, put an extreme start in the middle, and then stack your birch in a teepee style. It's very easy. I'll show you how to do it. You start with 6 pieces of your kindling. Stack just like that. Take your extreme start, put it in the middle. Then you're going to take the birch. I like this size. It's small, easy to work with. And stack it teepee style. Just like so. I've got about 6 pieces. Just like so. The air comes up and the fire starts quickly. I am going to invite some friends over, light my fire, run inside, change clothes, grab a bottle of wine and a charcuterie tray, and we're ready to go. Enjoy.